Hey everybody, I hope that you guys are having an awesome day. So today's video is gonna be one of my favorites of eyeshadow palettes. 10 eyeshadow palettes that I've been loving this last month because I wanted to show you guys a little bit of a different video. Instead of doing an October favorites, I'm gonna do like my eyeshadow favorites. So yeah, if you guys are new, don't forget to subscribe down below and also like this video and also ring the bell so you guys can get notified when I upload, because I upload all the time. This is the Urban Decay Elements palette. This is the one thing that I've been using throughout last month. It has like that nice colorful texture going on here, the detailing, and like it has like that gold right here, so it's like really cute, and it's limited edition, but it's very unique in my collection. So once you open it, it looks like that. It has like a lot of variety of colors, so you get like so many options in this palette. I'm gonna be doing a swatch and a makeup look very soon, so I don't want to do like right now. That I've been loving as well is the Urban Decay Naked Cherry. I call it Naked Cherry palette. So this is what it looks like. It has like a lot of pinks, mostly like pinks and neutrals. This palette is like so perfect for like Valentine's Day, but I used it for last month. I don't really do much of like a Halloween look because I'm not really so into like Halloween. No offense for everybody who likes that holiday, but I really love the texture going on here. It has like that like nice plumish color and stuff going on, so it's really pretty. I enjoy that one too. I actually did a swatch video, so I'll put it right here if you guys are interested in watching those. Fourth thing is the Toofaced Sweet Peach palette. So once you open it, it looks like that. So it has like a lot of neutrals here, the pinks and stuff going on. I like this palette like throughout like last year because it's like a little bit perfect for the fall. You can mix this summer season or the spring season. So I really recommend this as well. I'm not sure if I did a video with this palette, but I might, so that I can bring it back. So yeah. And then the fifth palette that I've been loving last month is the Too Faced Gingerbread Eyeshadow palette. This one is like a really cute palette. Vanilla ginger kind of smell, but I don't know if I smell the gingerbread in here. But honestly, it's so pretty. I like the colors and the shimmers in here. They're highly like pigmented, so if you guys are into those stuff, then get your hands on these because they're limited edition as well, and they're perfect for the holidays. So like it matches. Guys, so the next thing that I've been loving is the Too Faced Just Peachy Mates palette. It looks like that. It has like that nice like, you know, pinkish going on in the packaging. I like this one because you can create any looks on this one, and it's all like mates. So like it's very neutral. It's great for like probably the springtime, maybe a little bit in the fall. So it looks really nice. So like the ones I think that are more affordable but like easy to use is the Morphe 3350S palette. So sorry if it's like too dark because right now it's like so gloomy outside. It's like raining right now. So once you open this palette, it looks like that. It's very like fall related, so if you're into like very neutral palettes, this is like for you. Like everything is in here but neutrals. Like you can't go wrong with this palette. I think this palette is perfect for like Thanksgiving. So if you guys are into like affordable palettes, this is like a lot. Probably 21, I think it's $21 or 20 something like dollars or something like that, but it's so worth it. That I've been loving is also very colorful and very affordable, and it's also worth it. I think it's like $18, but like I can't beat the price. So this is the Take Me Back to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics, and they have like a lot of varieties of colors. You got like everything that you need, but the only thing that's like con about it, it's like the pans are very little. So that's why I rarely use them, because sometimes you never know if they'll get discontinued. Very pretty, so I can't beat the price. Juvia's palette that I want to show you guys is the Masquerade by Juvia's. Or 20 something. I might be wrong, but I also put like the links down below, like all the palettes that I told you guys, so you guys can check it out if you like. So it looks like this. The packaging is like very pretty. It has like you know, the girl in here and the little art going on her face. This one is very colorful palette. Like, it has like a big pan. The price is really worth it because you guys see how big, you know, this thing is and stuff like that. So you have like blues right here, like some reds, purples, I think, like a violet kind of shade, and you got like varieties of neutrals here and colorful at the top. So you get like two options, which I like. If you guys are really starting out field, like beauty community field, and you feel like, you know, which one is like more affordable that you don't want to spend so much money on, I recommend Profusion. I mean, they're the best palettes to start with, but like they're not like highly pigmented. These are like $5 and below. You really get like pigmentation. So once you open it, they have a highlight here. I believe this is like a little like contouring a little bit. If you're like a really light person, it's good to use. And you get like blush, and you get like colors right here, and then some neutrals right there. So it's very pretty. And below, like anyone can get this. And the good thing is it's a lot of shadows in here. So yeah. So the next thing that I've been loving last month is the Flamingo eyeshadow palette. Flamingo eyeshadow palette, which looks like this. This is from Violet Voss. I think you can still get this from Sephora. I think they're saying that it's limited edition now, so I'm not sure if that's gonna stay limited or not, but it looks like this. I like it because like once you apply this on, like they have like a lot of shimmers in here and mattes as well, so they have like a variety you can choose from. They added like a black, so it's really pretty. They actually apply really nicely, very beautiful, and it's like a summery kind of palette, I would say, too. So it's really cute. And I think they have a new one that came out that I might get. I only have one Violet Voss palette, so it would be nice to have another one from them because I'm just still researching which one is good. So yeah, I really like them. Personally, the formula is great, so you can't really beat the price. I think they were like 40 something or 50 something, but you know, they're still good. Palettes that I've been using last month. And let me know in the comments below, what do you guys do throughout last month? Like what you guys use, you know, for your eyeshadow palettes and stuff like that. Because I always want to know what you guys are doing. And I love to hear from you. Thank you guys for watching. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.